Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we are going to start part 1 of this tutorial, Introduction to Office 365. In an introduction, we will see what is Office 365. After that, we will see difference between Office 365 and other available versions. After that, we will see Office 365 application included in it, and then at the end we will see how to access Office 365. Starting from what is Office 365. Office 365 is an online software suite. It is not available offline. You have to access it using www.office.com. Office 365 was first launched by Microsoft in 2011. Office 365 was renamed as Microsoft 365 in 2017. Initially, it was called Office 365, but later on in 2017, it is called Microsoft 365. It is also available in mobile apps for both Android and iOS. You may download from Play Store and App Store with this logo. This is the updated logo for Office 365. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the rest of videos.